Every night, a man relaxes at home. A gentle night breeze blew. Then a little guest arrived. A cute little owl. Never absent. He perched on the window, looking at the man as if to say, "Is my dinner ready?" The man smiled, as if he understood. He offered a little food and didn't forget to drink water. Never expelled, instead welcomed with a warm heart. Night turned into night. The bird got bigger, tamer. It even started to whistle softly every time it came, like greeting an old friend. No one knows where he came from. But every night, the two meet without an appointment. Only one thing is certain. Sometimes, miracles come through the simplest. Creatures and friendship doesn't need language.